What's the meaning of cattle cake? Cattle cake. Cattle cake.
Cattle cake. Cattle cake. Cattle cake is a type of feed for cattle that is commonly used as a dietary supplement. It is typically made from a mixture of grains and protein-rich ingredients such as soybean meal, cottonseed meal, and peanut meal. The cake is formed into blocks or pellets that can be easily transported and fed to the animals. Cattle cake provides essential nutrients and energy that cattle need to grow and produce milk or meat. It is an effective way to supplement a grazing diet and ensure that cattle receive all the necessary nutrients for optimal health and productivity.